Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. The new Experia from Energica presents with a completely new technology. The motor, battery, chassis are freshly developed. The result is the Green Tour platform, which is intended to combine comfort, power and range in an optimal and eco-friendly way. So let's check this out. In terms of the chassis, the new Experia now uses a hybrid of tubular steel and aluminum plates. Meanwhile, the suspension comes from ZF shock with 150mm of spring and are adjustable, which is full at the front, preload and rebound at the rear. The new battery with a capacity of 22.5 kWh should bring the new Energica Experia between 208 and 420 km. The new engine provides a continuous power of 80 horsepower at 7,000 rpm and peak power of 102 horsepower at 7,500 rpm, while the torque range at 150 newtons to 900 newtons at wheel, and the top speed is limited at 180 km/h. In addition to the battery and motor, Energica has significantly revised the onboard electronics of the Experia. The new banking-dependent system comes from bus, and all functions and parameters are monitored via a new 5-inch TFT display. Not only that, a total of 7 driving modes are also available. Meanwhile, to accommodate your goods, Energica also provides hard side panniers and top case, which have a total capacity of 112 liters, and there are also 2 USB ports on the dash. The onboard charger manages 3 kW of charging power at 230 volts. According to Energica, the charging time on the fast charger is only 40 minutes from 0 to 80%. But unfortunately, Energica has not yet named a price, but the new Experia can be ordered from June 2022. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.